I'm on his ass.
Yeah, I'm on his ass. Come here.
Fuck you.
Returning you to the front. Earn this. Go to the safe zone. Leave no one behind. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Hands on my left.
Yeah.
I can help you. You've made it to the top.
Snipe, dude.
There, you motherfucker!
Squads left in the war zone. Stay alert. Zone in mind.
Got it? Yeah, I don't know. Garky. Okay. Ey, anh đã là sao giờ long Garky. Đã là sao giờ nó cũng bày sao giờ. Nào bữa nào nó gì chán cái lần gì lại.
See this shit on baseball.
Oh, no, no.
You hear me, D? Little baby.
Use this time for some target practice. Real things coming through.
Watch out.
Enemy soldier incoming. All stations green light.
It's my phone, roadblock. Ready playing? Alright guys.
Resurgence.
Stronghold, stronghold. shit. No. Karki, you didn't hear me?
Yes, sir.
It's okay, all of you guys is there already.
What? Let's go, man.
Wala yan kahit lang.
In that building, the key card's still in there. He ain't get it. He ain't get it. He ain't come.
Look here, what the fuck?
Fucking pussy.
Somebody sick and shit. He was lying to the folks and ran off. He on me. Perfect, you
Hi,
left.
motherfucker.
Who that is, Perfect?
Yeah, you motherfucking lucky, bro.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Ooh.
You're getting another shot. Weapons free.
There's his stuff right there, bro.
Enemy UAV is online. We have reinforcements inbound. Target down. Marking the rest. Contract failed. You'll have to be faster than that, soldier. You've got a loadout drop inbound. Enemies are dropping into the area. Sky. Hostile UAV in the area.
They're on top. you serious? Purple, purple.
Hostile UAV in the area. On your feet. They're still coming.
Thank you, thank you.
Squad mate is redeployed. Well done. All squad mates are in the same. Back on station. Go get after it.
This flame guys. Damn, son.
You're redeployed. Fire sale active. Fire station prices have been reduced. 25 remain. Solid work.
You wanna die, bro?
Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close.
Teka, gonna lag.
Requesting recon above. Eyes on enemy. Get a UAV on grid. Your squad made it to the safe zone. Back arm, I need eyes overhead. Requesting recon above.
I can't lie though, I told her.
Squad mate back on station. Fire sale start. Price mate.
Bro,
Go to grandma, go to grandma.
Ready for lunch.
16 rounds. Out. Five squads still operational with the AR. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV online. Surgeons officially activated.
remote.
Break, 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 you break.
Hostile UAV in.
It's inside, it's inside.
Fuck. Couldn't get up out that little jam. Supposed to been got up out that bitch.
Where is that, baby?
Get a UAV on grid. Cover your squad is outside the safe.
Nice! Don't let that motherfucker buy shit.
Launch a UAV.
Coming into you guys.
Get a UAV on grid. We have requested LTBR strike.
Stay back, stay back!
Négatif. Battle space full.
One dead, one dead, one dead.
Three squads left in the war zone. Stay alert. Time to fly 5 seconds. Out.
Yeah.
Somewhere around us. In that building. It's on top, let's go kill him. Wait for the smoke, wait for the smoke, take your time.
I hit one with my precision.
This one done. Fuck you, little kid. Oh my god. Two on top, just standing on top.
It's only like one or two. I would wait. I would
Fuck
wait it
you,
out.
don't wait, bitch. Fuck down and die. Those are little kids. Fuck them up. Motherfucker just waiting. Yeah, they got third party on the other side. Now he's 1 versus 3. Almost.
We lost that one, but we'll get another.
Ice, what the fuck? You can talk and you don't talk? You crazy, Ice. What's up, Ice? Ice, can you hear me? Check, check. Yes, sir. Damn, we almost win that. The kill streak fucked us up, bro. Down 2 of us. Fuck. If we're not down, fuck, we should have won that. Hey, what are you hiding, John Doe?
I love how you even put move too. I appreciate that.
Themselves 825th.
I appreciate that.
weapons and gear. We're holding for deployment.
Mike, you called me? Yeah.
What's going on?
No, I just got a missed call from you 2 hours ago. Huh?
So you want pink, right?
No, forget about that.
You don't want pink?
Playtime's
No,
over.
I still rap
Stand by
because
for
I see the way you
deployment.
guys do the picking, like take out some people off because it's too slow. No, I don't want that. Yeah, just let me on rap because I will take care of rap because we really need to take care of rap. Alright, Mike. See you.
Resurgence. Stay alive.
Sorry guys, didn't let you know where I'm. Thought you gonna snipe me? Oh, you stupid as fuck.
Squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Enemy advanced UAV overhead.
Now that's better.
Yeah, you know I'm about to kill you. Yeah, you know damn well I'm gonna kill you, motherfucker. He's on the bottom.
Enemies are dropping in.
Stupid fuck.
Kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tag map. Get hunted. Hostile UAV in the
Yo, are you AFK or something?
Your squad mate's back on station.
You're still in
Good work.
Ice! Ice! Oh my god, you left.
Destroyed. Use your tag map to hunt down the rest of them. Your squad's in the safe zone. Enemy operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Got you, partner.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Enemy move. Cancel my last.
Bitch, fuck you. Yeah. Hola, hola, hola.
Hostile UAV in the area. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Uy, gandang. Yeah, kapal 3 shot full body like. No way, bro. That is too much. Like, fucking Call of Duty. Fucking retarded.
Get ready. You're redeploying. You have reinforcements inbound. Enemy UAV online.
I killed 2 of them bitches, bro. One is down right there, Creed, next to you. Keep coming in the middle. Yeah, keep coming. It's on that building right there.
You're getting another shot. Weapons.
Yo, he's laying down over here.
You have reinforcements inbound. Enemy soldier incoming. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Hostile UAV in the area.
Down.
Fire station prices are adjusted. Squad, hunt them down. Mark the rest of that squad on your tactics.
That's what they've been to all of you boosie ass motherfucker. Don't come over
Remaining
here.
operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Resurgence is found. Nation count. Squad mate is redeployed. Well done. You have squad mates outside the safe zone. Friendly loadout drops on the way.
Requesting recon above.
There's only one guy in control.
Fire sales over. Adjusting prices. one. Surgeons precision airstrike available. Be advised, return fatigue.
Copy that. Longbow 3-1 is on station. Showing inbound. Impact. No hit.
Priority tasking request received. UAV exiting AO.
Squad made it to the safe zone. Gas is moving. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the sky. Five squads still on
Technical difficulty to continue. Technical difficulty to continue. What did it go? He needs to have the gear. Gadget. He doesn't have it.
What about the gadget one?
That's third baseman. Baseman.
Got a long line. You say, much for you. Finish with kumul mo. Kumna ba ongi. Butay mo wen dalikse.
Ruck up. You're headed to the war zone. Enemy dropping into the AR.
Let's you go.
When with you?
Nej, lang pas je den niet eigenlijk. Have any line there?
When with you, Delhi? Yeah, too.
Resurgence.
Get stop.
Oh, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Let's go.
Back on my feet. I'm good. Back on station. Good work.
Yes. Whoa, how the fuck I missed my shot?
Mates requesting LTPR. Enemy dropping into the AR. Enemy deployed an advanced UAV. Hostile UAV in the area. Get hunted. Kill confirmed. Gas is closing in. Enemy movement. I could use it.
Oh shit.
25 are still active with the AR.
It's on like a 5-game win streak.
We're headed to the war zone. Get geared up. Prep time's over. Now you deploy to the war zone. Resurgence. Stay alive. Enemy soldier incoming.
HDR ready for launch.
Requesting recon above!
FFB, danger close. Over. Unprotected. Enemy UAV inside. Target grid empty. Negative BDA. LDBR inbound. 16 rounds. Out.
Operator establishing Scott Street.
Kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tag map. Get hunted.
HDR ready for launch.
Time to fly 5 seconds. Out. Incoming LDBR. Fire solution was bad. Missed.
Enemy field upgrade. Calling in Scott Street.
Enemy UAV overhead. Take cover.
This, you a bitch ass, faggot ass motherfucker. Thank you, bro. Bottom, bottom.
Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Quick, 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 quick.
Squad mates back on station.
I got self, I got self.
You have reinforcements.
They're coming in.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Enemy move.
No, we win the fight, Sketchy.
Hostile UAV
They don't want to
in the
come
area.
back no more. Hey, right there, right there.
Enemy movement in the AO.
I need support.
Got contact. Enemy UAV is online.
Oh, they're on the boat. They're on the boat.
Feeling weak. Hostile located.
Right there, right there. I'm good, I'm good.
Back on my feet. I'm good.
They're on the boat.
Get a UAV on grid.
Oh, there's one hiding in the boat.
Squad to the safe zone. No one behind. Enemy UAV overhead.
Front of the boat, front of the boat.
UAV is online.
Copy.
Hostile UAV
Bottom
in the
side,
area.
all the way in the front.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Nobody on the
In
boat.
front of you.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
Yes, the funky Alaska
It's the same guy, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna pop back up.
He's still there on the boat where I die. The same area.
Stand by for redeployment.
Motherfucker right there. You kill him?
Enemy UAV overhead. Fire sale active.
Hey, nga some low die verloop.
Operator establishing score streak. Calling in score streak. Requesting recon above.
Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six.
Friendly ammo box here.
Precision airstrike standing.
Yep.
Precision airstrike ready for tasking.
Requesting close air. Target
Hostile
marked.
UAV in the area. Precision airstrike available.
Operator establishing score streak.
Be advised, we still have squad mates outside the safe zone.
Target area marked. You're cleared hot. Need recon overhead.
Enemies dropping into the area.
What you trying to do, bro?
You have reinforcements inbound.
Calling in score streak.
Another one.
Target down. Marking the rest of them. Enemy UAV.
He's here, he's here! Fuck! How the fuck I didn't see him, bro? How the fuck I can do this?
No fucking way, bro.
No more second chances.
Here, alive, I'm coming down.
Station.
10 seconds.
It takes more than that to finish me.
Alright, I'm coming to you for the Lordy.
Back on station. Go get off. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Some of your squad is outside the safe zone. Marking target location. Enemy UAV is online.
Enemy movement.
Bringing loot. Hostile UAV
Ah,
in the
Darky.
area.
Chilling on top of prison, dude. That's you. Trying to snipe me, Darky. 2 shots.
Nine left. Pressure on. Gas is
People buying.
You're going to be okay. Doing good.
Yo, what if you got yo, what if you got sniped at the same time?
Had the wrong loady.
Sketchy.